So guys, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be doing an eating video. Yes, I have seen loads of all these people eating yummy food and making me hungry, and today I have decided to eat my own yummy food and make you hungry. So I am going to be eating Nigerian food. So this is my oat fufu. That is my oat fufu, and this is my Ogbono soup. Yes, so let's get into this video. That is my Ogbono soup and that is my oat fufu. So let's get started on this eating because I am starving. Yes, I am very starving. So this is the way we eat our fufu. You first of all massage the fufu. You have to massage it very well. So look at it. Yum. So now that is the way I'm going to eat it. And this is stockfish. This is delicious. It's very yummy. This is turkey gizzard. Oh my god. I have eaten too much, I'm telling you. So I couldn't finish my oat fufu, but I nearly ate half of, almost more than half of it. This is just my my stockfish bone. It has loads of bone in it, so that is just the bone. Oh, excuse me. But yeah, I couldn't finish the oat fufu. It was too big for me. I don't eat that much. And the soup was a lot. Like, I filled the plate up to the top. Usually I share it. I don't eat this kind of, I can't finish it alone. But yes, it was delicious. So guys, thank you for stopping by. After this meal, all I need today is a 1 hour nap, even 2 hour nap, because this demolishing this meal, yum. It was very yummy. I enjoyed doing this video. Let me know if you want to see this kind of video in my channel. It was yummy. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I didn't finish all the meat. I still have 2 fat turkey gizzard. Nah, I'm gonna faint if I take this, if I eat this too. And then I still have a little bit of my oat fufu. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one.